Hi everyone. So I wanted to create this quick tutorial to supplement what we learned today in class on how to create the portal, the neon portal. Okay, so you're going to open up your image and then you're going to select layer, new layer. Then you're going to select the shape tool. You can click the circle, triangle, star, heart, whichever. I'm just going to do the circle to start out with. Oh, oops. All right, so you definitely don't want it to be a color. You want to make sure it's white. Then create the circle. Then you can click the select tool to adjust, put it in the position that you would like it to be in, make it bigger, smaller. Then you'll go to filter, go to outer glow. You can adjust the size, make the feather all the way to 100%, and select your color. All right, and then that's how you create a neon portal. You can play with the size, making it bigger or smaller, depending on the kind of effect that you want to create. You can also go back into the shape tool to add lines. So like for a curved line, if you want to make the tree neon, you can select an area. Try and find points of where the curve ends, but you can make multiple lines. Okay. So here I can show you. Then you'll go back to filter, outer glow. You want to add, if you wanted this to be different, you want to add it on a different layer. Then you can kind of see how that works. All right, so I hope you have fun. You don't have to, as long as you show me neon, the neon portal, or you show me some neon line, that's amazing. I just wanted you guys to practice the effect, and I hope you have fun. Thanks.